only water this video. Yeah? Kaba will share this video. They have directed Ayahanine to Ebe Engineer CC Obino, Ejima Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want to take your mind back to a prophecy. Evangelist Ebuka Obi nyele Ejima here one day, in fact not too long ago. Ebe Gwaria Wokem, do careful, not follow an attack also that is coming to him. That is an arrow also that is directed at him. You other go must not necessarily be Igbo. It can be exactly what is happening now, because you can see clearly that of recent they have now channeled their weapon of warfare to Engineer CC Obi. Ha go Evangelist Ebuka Obi, ha chota here. Ha Zion as a ministry, ha chota here. Ha Seraphic Hospital, ha chota here. Ha choka ha attack ya success Zion nango bale. They are now going after. Remember, some time back, by the way, it was Mama Evangelist Ebuka Obi where they were speculating that maybe Mayoba and all that. You see, they are coming after every single thing that surrounds this man. Hannah, after every single thing that surrounds this man. So right now, the person who is in the picture is Engineer CC Obi. They have started making videos. Some people are there who know with pride in email. For that say no money for nation. No just enjoy go one name okay. Or for that say an engineer go just shala sacrifice their certificate here. They are coming out as a form of mockery now, but remember that this was how Ogohana Anose Evangelist Ebuka Obi started. Remember, like I said, their weapon of warfare is not carnal. It is not carnal. So you need to be alert in the spirit. When we came every dimensions, how they follow. They are now coming out, making it look like a mockery, but yet they know what they are doing. That was how everything about Evangelist Ebuka Obi started. So now, for some of them who are speculating, now Engineer CC Obi with your certificate, they follow every moment, every minute of the day to know that he is not a practicing engineer. I am asking you, do you follow him around to know that he threw his certificate away in a follow he will malo no acting as an engineer, or because na fear on Zion? Does that mean that no more any other thing on him? I am asking you. Some of you may law and they are up in another profession. Some of you may engineering and they are up in another profession. Some of you may so many courses in the university, but the area where you are today is not anywhere near that course you go to school. So let us even assume that Engineer CC Obi is not practicing as an engineer. What is your business there? What is your business there? I addressed with pride in him. No in quarter of position your own pride ya doka ogunuguka groyat. Now for all those things, so now does not fear not so kana. Evangelist Ebuka Obi gave that prophecy, and I can see that that prophecy is coming to pass now, because they now talk more about Evangelist Ebuka Obi's twin brother Engineer CC Obi more than Evangelist Ebuka Obi. In fact, some of them who criticized Evangelist Ebuka Obi in the past have now substituted him to his brother. They are now singing his praises, calling him now to be more like an upright man, but now channeling that arrow to the twin brother. A other go, but we are here. We are here. The same caterpillar unumitri, mbono shenono yaho Zion ka onubu. The same caterpillar siya unumitri, bulldozers are unumitri. Mbono shene Evangelist Ebuka Obi no yeje weta akiru. A other go. The same bulldozer ahụ unu mitiri mgbe unu chọrọ ịbịa after everything surround Evangelist Ebuka Obi, that same caterpillars and bulldozers can be very much active waiting for you people. Bono le tasharebe engineer CC no. Happen Zion n'ife gbasara Zion ka ọ ghara ịgba ụnụ ala. Ịghọtago? Happen Zion n'ife gbasara Zion ka ọ ghara ịgba ụnụ ala. Sometime back it was Zion. Zion this, Zion that, Zion this, Zion that. To the extent of even going after Zoro Bitters, which is his brand. Go? All this is aimed at coming after every single thing that is around Zion ministry. You people will not succeed as usual. Go? Happen to our own engineer. Also, Omechi engineering in the school decide they are not practice. Or basa after all, Maradona on a practice, another practice. I go on Evangelist Ebuka Obi wonyamuma pulishe no gawa ino na ishena ase how many prophets or how many pastors can you time in study to know if to go even deeper in their family and there is nothing will anything do hidden about the life of Evangelist Ebuka Obi ona ke woputa gay na public in the madafo e back and no woman na that man siri ike ebe aka nna we man that man do upright ebunu mechalo attack ya nso mmekọ nwoke na nwaanyị okwulu no mebo since nneji we mwe ebunu mechalo attack ya that very part of his life owu no nwere evidence unu nwere owu no nwere ife unu nwere na aka eji we prove lie na ife o na-ekwu wase unu aka egusige ebe aka mmechala anya wesi na nwoke ma awo karisia na nwoke ma akara aka go na nwoke ma akara aka, and I have decided to identify and stand with him to the end. Engineer CCOB is also going to be a no-go area for you people. Na ezugo tokam. It is a prophecy made by Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and it has come to pass. It is coming to pass, rather. Share this video. Kashire go wake ezugo. Ezugo. Go.